Guys, welcome back. We're gonna do theorem number 3 now, the one that states that the angle subtended by a diameter is 90 degrees, or it's a right angle triangle. Let's just look at the examples that we have now on the board. Remember the previous theorem that we did was the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. Now let's use that knowledge that we have for us to derive the theorem that says that the angle subtended by a diameter is 90 degrees. So looking at this first example, let's say this one, it's a 100 degree. So this is the angle at the center. How much is it gonna be for the angle at the circumference? This one is gonna be 50. And then we get into this one. Let's say this one now it's 120. And then the angle at the center, the one at the circumference is gonna be 60. And then, but you see the difference between here and here. Here it was a bit narrow, and here we took it a little bit wider. And then here also it's a bit wider. We stretched it from here to here. We are stretching wide. We are making it wider. So if this was 100, this is 120. So that means we're increasing the angle at the center. Now let's say this one, it's 160 degrees. What's gonna be the angle at the circumference? The angle at the circumference is gonna be 80 degrees. I hope this one is clear. Now let's get into the theorem that states that an angle subtended by a diameter, let's draw a diameter AB, center O, and then let's extend an angle from the diameter. It's an act, we're extending an angle, and then they're saying that this angle is equals to 90 degrees. So now a diameter is a straight line. Now, we are all clear about that. A diameter is a straight line. Let's try to prove this, the theorem. So a diameter is a straight line. That means angle O is equals to 180 degrees. Angle on a straight line, line A, B. But we know that angle O is the angle at the circumference, at the center. It's going to be 2 times the angle at the circumference, of which is our angle C. Therefore, angle O is equals to 2 times angle C, raising angle at the center 2 times angle at circumference. But now we know angle O is what? Is 180. From here, angle O is 180 equals to angle 2C. We divide both sides by angle 2, and we divide both sides by 2 to get angle C. Therefore, angle C, 180 divided by 2 is what? 90 degrees. So this one proves that the angle subtended by a diameter is what? Is 90 degrees. So your reason will be, or can be, by stating that this angle, let's say you're given maybe a scenario, they say this is a diameter. For you to say angle C is 90 degrees, your reason will be angle in a semicircle. It's going to be an angle in a semicircle. We see this is half a circle. If we erase this, we can see that the angle is where? In a half of the circle. I hope everyone can see that.